Diagnostic Microbiology, a laboratory manual. Cerebrospinal fluid analysis. Purpose: to aid in the diagnosis of meningitis, a central nervous system infection, by the determination of CSF concentrations of total protein and glucose. Meningitis is a medical emergency. Anatomy. Meninges are the three layers outlining the brain for protection. DAB. Dura mater, arachnoid, and pia mater. CSF sampling. Lumpar puncture into L34 or L45, taking a volume between 5 and 10 mL. Distribute equally into 3 tubes. Tube 1 for chemistry and serology, Tube 2 for microbiology, and Tube 3 for hematology. Tube 1 least affected by hemolysis. Tube 2 largely contains the actual infectious agents. Tube 3 least cells from traumatic tab. CSF tests. Tube 1 for measuring total protein and glucose, and sometimes electrophoresis. Tube 2, preserve at 20 Celsius. For culture, gram stain, and sometimes special cultures for fungal, MTB, and viral. Tube 3, preserve at 4 Celsius. For cell count and cytology. CSF sample rejection. CSF sample can be rejected in any of the following. However, alert physician before discarding. Quality of CSF sample. Hemolyzed CSF caused by traumatic tab or hemorrhage. Traumatic tab is viewed as gradually diminishing red color across the 3 tubes, or clot formation due to plasma fibrinogen. Hemorrhage is viewed as evenly distributed red color across the 3 tubes, or the absence of clot. Physical examination of CSF. Appearance. Normally, CSF is crystal clear, or bloody due to increased RBCs, or turbid due to increased white BCs, or xanthochromic, yellow, pink, or orange due to hemoglobin or bilirubin, carotene, protein, or melanin, or with pellicle formation due to tubercular meningitis. CSF. Tube 1. Chemistry and serology. The 3 tubes are interpreted concurrently. Protein in CSF is determined either by turbidimetric assay, such as SSA and TSA, as described elsewhere, or calorimetric copper binding assay, such as biuret method, or by dye binding assay, such as Comasay Brilliant Blue. Protein can be determined by manual methods or by automated chemistry analyzers. Glucose determination. CSF blood glucose ratio equals 0.6, ranging between 0.4 to 0.88. For the accurate determination of CSF glucose, first, measure blood glucose 2 hours before spinal tap. Test CSF glucose immediately. Use the same procedure for both. CSF, differential diagnosis. Interpretation. Compared to normal values, bacterial meningitis is characterized by turbid appearance, increased white BCs, predominantly neutrophils, low glucose levels, and high protein levels. While viral meningitis is characterized by normally clear appearance, increased white BCs, predominantly lymphocytes and monocytes, normal glucose levels, and increased protein levels. CSF, chemistry tests. Protein and glucose levels are routinely determined. Other tests can be requested on special occasions. CSF serology. Either antigen detection using LA and ELISA to detect any of the following pathogens, or antibody detection such as VDRL for detecting neurosyphilis. Troubleshoots. See the following table for possible troubleshoots. Use the following form to report results. References.